Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.